When a narcissist discards you, the pain is intensified by the shocking contrast in how you both respond. While you're left shattered, replaying the relationship in your mind and wondering if there was any way to save it, the narcissist seems to move forward without a second thought. Almost instantly, they appear with someone new, someone you never even suspected was waiting in the wings. This new person becomes the center of their world, plastered across social media or spoken about as though they're everything, while you're left feeling worthless and erased. What often goes unseen is that this wasn't a sudden replacement. Narcissists usually groom new sources of supply quietly in the background long before the relationship ends. Their unexplained silent treatments, constant texting, and secretive behavior were often moments spent testing and preparing the next person. By the time you're discarded, they've already secured another, which explains how effortlessly they pivot into a new relationship. In the beginning, they're intoxicated by the novelty of this fresh connection. The admiration and excitement from the new partner give them a surge of energy. At the same time, your pain fuels them even more. Knowing that you're broken, confused, and hurting validates them, so they draw supply both from the new relationship and from your suffering. But the illusion doesn't last. Over time, the shine of a new partner fades. What once seemed exciting becomes ordinary, and just as they did with you, the narcissist begins to devalue this person. Meanwhile, if you start healing, reclaiming your strength, and no longer chasing after them, you take away their second source of supply. When both the thrill of the new relationship and the power they had over your emotions fade, the narcissist is left unsatisfied and restless. This is often the point where they circle back. Seeing you grow stronger, more confident, and independent makes you suddenly appealing again. Compared to the dullness of their new partner, your transformation stands out. To get you back, they may attempt to appear changed, pretending to be self-reflective, kinder, even reformed. They might engage in therapy, show a softer side to mutual friends, or orchestrate situations to convince you that they've grown. But these displays are not genuine growth, they're tactics. The narcissist is driven by their endless need for supply, and once you've healed, you become the better option in their eyes. The truth is that the dazzling image of the new partner is temporary, a carefully crafted performance to provoke envy and keep you trapped in self-doubt. And the narcissist never truly moves on. They remain fixated on whether you still crave them, whether you still hurt, whether you're still caught in their orbit. Your healing is their greatest loss. As you grow, detach, and move forward, their power over you diminishes. Ironically, it's in your strength and independence that they often come crawling back, because nothing makes you shine brighter in their eyes than becoming the very thing they can no longer control.